So our behavioral responses to sensation are it's a very important thing to think about. You're taking in this auditory information, you're not distracted by it, you're able to continue to attend. A behavioral response that you would see of a child with autism may be distractibility, maybe running away, covering the ears. You'll see a behavioral response to that information, which is not effective. So when we all went to school, we learned about the 5 sensory systems, right? What were they? Sight, hearing, taste, smell, and touch, right? There's 2 other sensory systems that really need to be discussed, and those sensory systems are very integrated and very correlated into the children with autism spectrum. That's our vestibular system, which is our sense of movement, and our proprioceptive system, which is our muscle awareness. How much force do we put behind a motion? How many of you have children that when they give you a high five, they just about knock you off the ground? Because that awareness of force is not effective. Those are the kids that get labeled as aggressive sometimes. They're not aggressive. They don't consciously go out on the playground and say, you know what, I'm going to knock my friend over. I'm going to tackle this kid. It's the way that their body senses this information. That feels normal to them, but it's not effective. It creates social problems, or it gives that kid a label that's not necessarily a correct label. So their systems don't take in and don't put out the same response that our systems do.